The developers of the antiX Linux distribution announced today the release of antiX-21, a new major version of their lightweight Debian-based distro without the systemd init system. antiX-21 arrives more than 5 months after antiX 19.4 and brings a fresh new base from the repositories of the latest and greatest Debian New Linux 11 Bullseye operating system series. Of course, in the tradition of the antiX and MX Linux distributions, the new release doesn't ship with the systemd init system, nor the libsystemd library that provides interfaces to various systemd components. In addition, antiX-21 ships with udev instead of systemd udeveloper for better compatibility with the OpenRC init system. But if you don't like OpenRC, antiX has special editions with the rununit init system too. antiX-21 features 2 kernel versions in the full edition, namely the long-term supported Linux 4.9 kernel or the more recent Linux 5.10 LTS kernel, which is used by default. Users will be able to choose between the 2 kernel versions from the boot menu. The other editions use Linux kernel 4.9, customized with fbcondecor splash. Highlights of this release includes the streamlight-antix apps for streaming videos without using too much RAM, XMMS for audio playback, cups for printing, LibreOffice 7.0.4 Office Suite, Mozilla Firefox 78.14 ESR web browser, Seamonkey 2.53.9.1 Internet Suite, Class Mail 3.17.8, Celluloid and MPV for video playing, SMTube for YouTube video playback without using a web browser, and qpdfview for viewing PDF documents. You can download antiX-21 right now from the official website. The full and base edition come with 4 window managers, including IceWM as default, Fluxbox, JWM, and Herbstclub TWM, while the core and net edition don't include X11. As expected, both 64-bit and 32-bit systems are fully supported on all editions. antiX is a lightweight Debian-based distribution. The project's latest release is based on Debian 11 Bullseye and features the SysV software along with both recent and older kernels for wider hardware support. A list of key packages is available in the project's release announcement. Based on Debian's 11 Bullseye, but without systemd and libsystemd udev instead of udev. Customized 4.9.0-279 kernel with fbcondecor splash. Customized 5.10.57 kernel, 64-bit full only. LibreOffice 7.0.4-4. Firefox-esr 78.14.0 ESR-1 on antiX-full. Seamonkey 2.53.9.1 and antiX-base. Class Mail 3.17.8-1. Cups for printing XMMS for audio. Celluloid and MPV for playing video. SMTube for playing YouTube videos without using a browser. Streamlight-antix, stream videos with very low RAM usage. qpdfview for PDF reader. Arc Evo Pro 2 theme antiX. The distribution is available in 4 editions ranging in size from largest to smallest. Full, base, core and net. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. It helps make a good content for you. Other than that, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.